to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. And Marcia is sending out this message to Dwayne, 13, and the landlord, Erica. And basically, she's saying that is what she has to say to them. She's saying that, what she said earlier was not for everyone in Florida. However, she had, said that it would have been for the people, her haters. However, she's saying she took to, her platform to say that, she would like for Dwayne to not call her name. She's saying basically that when things were done to her, if Dwayne didn't see that and and what he called that the things that people said about her. So go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know. And for all that lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whatever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today.
And you call me broke? Can you do that? These motherfuckers who cost me one at 1,200, that little dirty, stinking, worrying, dirty girl at Portland. One that at 1,200 have to fix a dirty shop. Can anyone out do that? Can anyone want to walk into a iPhone store right now who cost me from Jamaica and go buy the iPhone there? iPhone Pro, the biggest one. 16. No. Dwayne, what is so wrong with me? I know something wrong with you. Me should even argue with you. Because the way you're confused, I don't know if if you want to be a girl or a man. You don't even know if you want to work for Satan or you want to work for Jesus. Me should even argue with you. Me should even argue with you. Don't call my name in your mouth. Go on about your business. Me, Marcia Campbell, me not afraid of none of uno. Me all hear the one 13 over there talk about, oh, my belly is big. And I hope in my belly because me talk about, yes, that's what me say. Me say today on my page, and let me say it over Facebook here. Any at all blood clot landlord of Jamaica that's been talking about me and my pitney every day, may I give her until midnight, the 31st of December, to stop call my name and disrespect me like that and put me down. Otherwise, me and her end up in a court. And you see, if the court can't help me, me a carry her blood clot Africa and Yeti. Go hub your hair. What about that? If the court cannot help me, me a go hub your hair and shut her up. If the court cannot help me, for what she do to me over YouTube, calling me and my pitney name and putting me down and thief in my contents and the day me hub your blood clot. At the first day me walking over, man. You have been harassing me for 3 years straight. 3 years now. And if the court can't help me, on Facebook and YouTube, me a go by you. Me a shut up your blood clot, me a send to Africa for you. What about that? Blog about that. Yes, obey illegal. Obey illegal. Me say any at all. Any at all. The court can't help me for you to stop call my name. And stop talk about them things about me. Me a obey your blood clot. What about that? Me say, me I give you until the end of blood clot December the 31st. To stop call up my name. You are going from bad towards dirty woman. How a dirty woman like you have the nerve for you call up my name with them the sort of slackness there and them the type of something there and harass me. It can't work. Me say if the court can't help me, me a fix your blood clot business. Me obey you. What about that? Me I give you until the end of December. Me and you, landlord Erica, now rolling at 2025. With that the behavior they and them the same thing the way I talk about me over YouTube every day. And I get all 700-800 people on my page. Not a blood clot me and you. Church or no church not. Church people walk up here too. Well, I go and fling one under your blood clot if you ever come call me name January. So you better make sure. You better make sure, say, anything what you do, to build a shop there, you better make sure say you build it by now on December the 31st. Because January come, you can't call my blood clot name and name out. Else me and your ass clot. Yes. You see me I lose my weight nicely, people. Good as for them, me a good as for them. Walk out for your friend. Yes, my dear. I lost 14 pounds on the Ozempic. Yes, my dear. You hear me tell you? Who agree with me? If fling under hobia, under blood clot. Who agree with me? Say agree. The woman now go on from bad to worse. The woman see me nice. Sleep in beauty bed. And the woman walk, put sitting upon my bed with camera and say me take piece up bed I sleep on. The woman a bright and out of order. I call me pitney thief, credit card thief, I walk. You're bright. May I give you until the end of December. Make sure say all the fuckery you are going with, you better make sure say you fix your shop. Fix your shop with it and stock your shop. Because when in December the 31st come and January come, and you not stop call my name, me and your blood clot down a Jericho Turnpike. Let me make sure talk here of us. I fix your blood clot business for you in a Robby Man shop. I make you run up and down like your blood clot mad. I make you go to the door naked. I make you climb up in the ceiling top like a spider, man. You have to call my name. 3 years straight? 3 years straight? You not hear the things of the woman that call me? Hey? You hear the things that the woman that call me? 3, every time I do a video, the woman can make video and stream it. Me say, me talk it loud and clear. The Prime Minister of Jamaica legalized over a couple years ago. Me say, anybody agree with fix? Anybody agree with me if fix her? Oh, man, tell who agree with me? Who agree with me? Put agree. Anybody, when the people who agree with me, make her carry you. Me say, I'm going to take a plane straight to Africa and want to eat for you. Me not even go to Jamaica, because Jamaica want them good. Me say, I'm going to fix your blood clot. Anybody agree with me? Watch me and you. So you better fix your shop. Me say, when the people who agree with me, paya, for fix her ass for her. Don't the woman that go on from back to what's the money? You cannot drag down people like that for YouTube money. First of all, you know, me will get a big lie and sue you and take and fear them something we are going with, you know. Because first of all, you know, we are chat say, you know, you don't have no evidence to go in a courthouse to testify, you know. You don't have no witness for what I say. Them the slandering the way I go on with. You know, some we get the same liar we represent Vice Cartel. And I make him fix you and take your house from you. I make you have to sell it. Eh? You want me fix your blood clot with a big liar Jamaica and go off of your house? Remember you mash up my business, you know. Remember you walk and tell people say my business, you know. Have roach and rat and all kind of something business, you know. And then something me I sue you for, you know. Because me have legal document for that. You think me I sue you? You think me I sue you because I two we come across up underneath each other? Me I sue you for where me know. Slandering. Content. Thief in the content and all them something there. A whole heap of it me I can sue. I will get a big liar. You think I joke me make? Me will go in a bank account and I want a big liar, you know. I'm frig you up big time, you know. Me go off of your asset, you know, bitch. I will go off of your assets. First of all, you call me job. Me have the recording. And me have the white man. Me have Vinny to testify where you call. Me have your number where you call Vinny. Vinny will write a letter for me. Me have the hotel where you call. We have voice recording where you call upon live. You call funeral parlor and tell funeral parlor said, I am me dead. If you come and pick me up, you're my cousin and I cry. And the people are trying to console you. Me have another voicemail where you call a hotel and tell the hotel, say me and my boyfriend is at a hotel and we have a gun and we plan to shoot people. Do you know how much evidence I have for you? You think say me I sue you over social media bullshit, cussing and bummer clat and pussy clat and ras clat? Those things are serious things what you do. I will get a big lie and take away your blood clot house from you, drunk woman. I will make you have to sell it. Me say me will call Jamaica and get a big liar out there. I'll get a liar where me skitty husband. You know, say me, I have the money, can do it, you know. Me not have you know. Me have the money, can do it. Me say, me I give you until December the 31st. You see, after December 31st, me not ramp with you. So anything you're doing, you make sure, say, you start that blood clot shop and finish it up. Because when January come, me and you now roll in a January 2025 for where you are going with. Me now ask you. And if a judge and if a lawyer can't help me, me I obey you. Me Marcia can't obey you. If you cannot stop calling my name, I obey you. If you cannot stop take set by me, because guess what? It look like somebody take set by you. So me have to take care of me. It look like somebody who have to come cuss me and talk about me and my pitney every day. For a riff-raff underprivileged blood clot woman like you, me know why you call my name. So any money where I make sure say, you make that money. Make sure say you make that money before December done and use that money to make shop, because January morning you ramp with Marcia, you go cook. Straight in a courthouse, me I take you. And if your court can't help me, me I obey you. Me I obey you and shut you up from side of me. Every time you call me name, you start choke. I don't want business when nobody wants to say. All me know say me reaching one life in my life now, where Marcia is stress-free. And he said what God give to me, nobody can take away from me. So me not worry about when all them chat say. Then could have chat me until tomorrow morning. I don't give one Ross. Cause none of them blood clot out where chat me can walk in my shoes no time no day right now in my life. God make sure some take care of me. Me been there, done that. When me go down to not even have a dollar. Me been there in my life. And only go cussing and class, no class me up. And which part God put me right now? Me boast in a blood clot for my blessing. And me preserve that. And me sacrifice for that. Me sow me seed for that. And God bless me. That I don't have to go to my bed worrying, oh, my bill's gonna pay. My bills are paid in full. So if anyone out there thinks that Marcia is stress-free and me a go on so, you don't know me a woman who cuss my bad word. And let me tell you something. Nobody don't reach out to me behind closed door. I bless who I want to bless. I'm not blessing nobody. And nobody can tell me who to bless from who to bless. And nobody can tell me when to send money to Jamaica to give to nobody. Because me, I am the one who is helping. I am the one who is helping. My money. A while ago, me sent $100 to Africa. Not for hobby, but to bless a nice family. And let me tell you something. Me now quote come prove. I see that $1,000 with a pastor give me done long time. Me sow it out in the atmosphere. And that is the reason why I feel so free like a bird. And me still a bless people when I feel like it. And nobody can tell me who to bless and who to not bless. Anybody entitled to go where they want to go. It's my money. I bless who I want to bless. And let me tell you something. Some of you blogger go on bad, you desperate. You sad. I'm not lonely. And let me tell you something, as I said before, anything I said about the hurricane, I never said the people in Florida. I said the haters them who coming up here and speaking about me. That's what I said. I never said nothing about Dana. Say hurricane for take with Dana. I said me glad say she come America and say hurricane a blow. That will keep her more humble. To stop worry about vanity and house. Because when she look and see your house all blow away and damage, she say, no, me nah. For the people who come up here and a brag and a boast. Which part you know hear me say me want hurricane for do done or something? You know write down the headline over by YouTube. I don't care how no one put it. The video is there. Who have understanding, let them have understanding. It come like when you don't have no understanding and when you can't comprehend. Because I know say most of you there no dunce. All you know if you do is suck rifle. That is it. You don't have no understanding. So anyone who want to take the video, I am surprised the way Dwayne and come over there cuss me. I talk about me this evening. Or me wicked and me this. For you who me know say have some little brain. How the heck, because you want somebody to come to your page, you write me headline, I call me wicked and me say me, then I say it's an eye for an eye. That's what I said. Anybody who come up here and cuss me, my haters, that's what I said in my video. And them come cuss me about house. Me want hurricane to take up my house and drop in the ocean. Me never tell them, me never wish them that. Me say them house, me want the hurricane to blow away and make them start from scratch and know how it feel. If you know say it's as vanity, it can disappear anytime. I never wish bad on nobody in Florida. I said to the haters them who come and talk about me and house, me want the hurricane to blow it away. Any haters there where hurricane blow away house contact, can make me give a little clap. That's what I say. That's what I say. You know see how 99, when you look over YouTube in the morning there, how she fearful. How she fearful and a worry when the hurricane a blow. Right now if you go back over there, no hurricane is over. Her face gone back normal. She fearful, afraid of dying in case hurricane come upon her. And then she come and talk about how God is real and God is this and how God is really real. So lady, you never know that God was real? God is really real. Wait, you never know that? I would tell if you come on social media 5 years ago with Bible in hand. And the Lord says, let there be light. Open the sky and let the sun shine. No. You can't come in my house. Draw down your clothes. Me guard yard, she no tap dry down clothes. Me little mini skirt, she no stop dry it down. People come her yard, oh, your breasts are showing. No. None for your breasts, them up in her throat will be stifle. Look like somebody a wear trachea. Where is that girl? Where is that girl? Put it down, your belly a show. No. You can't show belly. You can't show belly. No, for your belly a show. Body, breast, everything. Open up, split up, how can I sit? You see the fear we have? Go worship God and go back to this person where you was. Come out a morning time, I put on piece of prayer and one parlor, she hypocrite parlor. I pray. You never know God real. That's what I said. I want you to see it. And I'm glad that you experience it. Me glad. And when you look over Florida now, you see the house them flat. Well, you never know God real. Oh, you never know. Welcome to blood clot America, Dana. To the hurricane state of Florida. You have more, forget, as long as you live in that place. I hope this hurricane will humble you. And Jamaica this, we're kind of blessed and highly favored. Where hurricane I was a turn back. And he house them stronger. Up at them I make out a board and paper. Them a house a bill all in 3-4 months. So hurricane easy to pitch them down. So me glad you come and see that. So me say, anybody want to run away with it, I feel in business. Me not jealous of you. Because me can tell you, you blood clot Dana and your followers them. None of who, not even you to blood clot make them